Ah, cool special effect, huh? That's just bad lighting. Hello, happy Vlogmas. Sorry for this horrible angle. Today I'm going to be making some press-on nails. And I thought I would just share the nail art with you in case you were looking for some decorative ideas for some wintry fingernails. I'm a mess today, so just excuse my horrid appearance. You won't be seeing my face. You might see my nails, which are horrible as well, so just ignore those. Let's make some pretty nails. So I'm gonna start by working on the thumbs. This is the first size. These already have builder on them. I'm using the Magic Silicone Gel. And then for base color, I'm using this, which is called Mother of Pearl. And is that not just fucking fancy? Oh my god. I'm gonna do 2 coats of this. It's so pretty. Okay, that's cured. Now we're gonna do coat number 2. Numero dos. This is kind of like an opalescent Cinderella color. I love it so much. So then the thumbs I don't want to do anything too crazy with because that's what there's the most of in terms of size range. So I'm just going to take a really thin amount of that Mother of Pearl color and I'm going to put it down in this corner. And then I have this iridescent glitter and I'm just going to place that. Alarm! It kind of blends in, but it just adds like something a little extra, you know? So the next 3 sizes, now I've already gone ahead and put on 2 coats of the Mother of Pearl, and then embedded in a tackless top coat, I put the same glitter as the thumb. Now what I'm going to do is in that spot where there is no glitter, I'm going to use some Holo powder, and then we're just gonna, oh yeah, we're gonna make these nails very special. Sit back and enjoy the Holo. And I'm not trying to make this look seamless because there is no way to make it look seamless. Ignore the dog. Neighbors are at it again. Is that not just the most gorgeous mix of finishes you have ever freaking seen? So where it meets the glitter, it's not going to be seamless at all. But what I'm trying to avoid is for it to be like a straight cutoff, if you can kind of see what I mean. Like I want to just kind of shove it in between the glitters. So that's what these ones are going to look like. These next 2 sizes are going to be all Holo. And then the last 2 sizes are just going to have 3 coats of Mother of Pearl. So this is what the finished set looks like. Is that not absolutely fucking gorgeous? To bring out that Holo, we have the phone light. Oh my god. Rude. So pretty. Alright, winter set number 2. First 3 sizes. Using up kind of one of my old leftover generic brands, so I'm not going to advertise that, but it's this kind of gold tinted pearl color, and I'm gonna see the gold in there. I'm gonna put 3 coats, try to build this up a fair amount, and this is what it looks like with 3 coats and a top coat. It's not fully opaque, as you can still see the tack through it. It goes with what I'm going for. The next 2 sizes are going to be a bit of a process here. I've already put a coat of Universal White. And then I'm going to be going in with the C&D Briza Sculpting Gel in white. This is for French tips, but it's very, very thick in viscosity. And it does require a lot of flash curing, but it looks great for a 3D gel. I'm sure an actual 3D gel would be more sufficient, but this is what I got, so this is what I'm working with. And then to use this stuff, that wasn't thick enough. Really thick glob, and it's really stringy, so I'm going to use the strings to start my lines. And I'm going to carry this all the way up the middle. Oh, come on. Might be a little hard to see because it's white on white, and it doesn't really matter what it looks like at this point because I'm going to go in and refine that, so it kind of looks like crap at the moment. And then I'm soaking the brush with rubbing alcohol. Now I'm just going to clean this up a little bit. See, that's a much smoother line. These nails take a lot of patience. And then same dealio on the other side. Just do a swoop. And then I'm gonna smooth out the top a little. And to do the smoothing, this brush is like soaked with rubbing alcohol. And I'm just lightly running it over. Then I'm gonna just flash cure this. So now I'm gonna just do some little dots here on this side. Soaked my brush. And I'm just gonna make sure there's no weird tails on any of these. Flash cure. So I'm just using the same method for every bit of design here, which is why this takes so long. That is nice. I'm proud of that. Okay, so now that this is cured, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add some color, and I'm actually not gonna use gel because I want this to pool as little as possible. A thin coat or two of this China glaze polish, and it's gonna require a lot of maneuvering this into little nooks and crannies. Now I'm just going to give that one a few minutes to dry so that it's not tacky anymore. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 2 coats. I'm going to let this dry for 8 to 10 hours at least. I will realistically probably come back to these tomorrow. So this and the other ones are going to sit for about 24 hours, but I will show you what one looks top coated. This is what it looks like with top coat. And is that not just gorgeous? Obviously it's a different sweater design, but how sweet is that? And let me just show you for reference right now. Look how beautiful those colors look together. That is warm and cozy, okay? So the next 2 sizes, I've already got 2 coats of the pearl. Now I'm gonna do a 3rd coat. And then before I cure this, I'm going to be using this glitter. I lost the sticker for it, so I don't know what brand this is, but this is like a sort of bronzy gold. I'm going to take this and then just pat this on the lower bit. And then I'm just kind of taper this up a little bit. Just like that. Okay, folks, we're on to the last 4 nails in the 20 set. So, all of these are just going to be one solid color. And I'm going to be using this Gelaz color. Again, I have lost the sticker. I don't know what it's called. I think I'm only going to have to do 2 coats of this. Now, for those of you wondering, I don't plan on continuing to use the like Gelaz and stuff for these nails. I'm in the process of completely switching over to magic gel systems, but professional colors are expensive. Okay, let's see how 2 coats looks here. I feel like that needs a 3rd coat, but I don't want to pile it on too much. Oh yeah, that's what it needed. That is way better. And there you have it, folks. This is the Warm and Cozy set. I am so freaking proud of those sweater nails. Like, you don't even know. You don't even know. Okay, so I am gonna take some pictures for the Instagrams and also for my Facebook page. Get these posted. Will, if you're interested, link my business Instagram down below for my nails, so you can check that out if you would like. I've got tons of other designs on there. And with that said, happy Vlogmas, folks. Thanks so much for watching. Leave it a thumbs up if you liked it. Let me know down in the comments which set was your favorite. Would you wear these? I don't know. I love them. Look at those sweater nails. Forget to subscribe if you feel so inclined and you have not already, and we will see you tomorrow.